Tune energy.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today is a very special one, a special edition for the Among Us fans. Finally, we have an Among Lock for Android, and I know in my previous video I made mention some time ago that it's not going to be possible, but somebody has managed to create an app that gives you the same expression or the same feel you get when you're doing it on an iOS device. I'm Delpy, and today I'm not going to talk so much. Let's just move into the tutorial. So before I begin, if you really love my content, please make sure to subscribe and please make sure to hit the bell notification icon. Also, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave links to all of them in the description. Let's move into the tutorial. So to my Android users, all you have to do is to just go ahead and head on to Play Store. Once you head on to Play Store, you just have to find the name of the app known as Among Us Lock. I'll leave a link to the description. I'll leave a link in the description where you just have to click on it and then head on to Play Store, and you're good to go to download the app. Now, once you download the app, all you have to go ahead and do is to set it up. Create a lock screen for yourself. If you have a lock screen on your phone already, you'd have to disable that one to use this one. So I know people be asking so many questions if you'll be able to disable it. Yes, you can't disable it when you want to. Probably you just have to clear the data in the app, or you just have to uninstall it. Simple. And you're good to go. So this has been it, and this is the entire tutorial. You just have to go through the app, set it up, and then you're good to go. The app is still in beta versions. I mean, not beta versions, but then it's a baby app. It's not growing, and we hope that it will get better once it comes up, because there are some glitches and hitches here and there that I really don't enjoy seeing in the app, and I'm just hoping that you guys would enjoy the app and make sure you find the fun in it. And once again, all I have to say is that if you really enjoy my content and you really love what I do here, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like icon, and make sure to leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be there with you to help you through the entire process in case you don't know how to go about it. Once again, I'll leave links to all of them in the description and in the first pinned comment, so you can just head on there, click on them, and get it easily downloaded on your phone. One more thing. I made a video some time back and I was talking about the Among Lock on the iOS devices, and so please, if you don't have Cydia on your iOS device, it just means that you have to go ahead and jailbreak it. I know this is not necessary, this is not significant or important to the video, but in case you're an iOS user and you kept asking me those questions on that video, please make sure you jailbreak your device before you get the Cydia app. The Cydia app is not downloadable if you haven't jailbroken your device. Or, simple put, jailbreak brings Cydia along as an inbuilt App Store manager. Just like your iOS device comes with an Apple App Store and Android devices come with Google Play Store. That is how Cydia works. I just wanted to take time to clear this out for you guys so you can understand the entire process. But to the Android users, this is for you, so enjoy, and I hope to catch you guys in another one. Stay safe, peace out.